energy up. Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. That was cute. One more time. Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my Sephora haul, and today is the first haul. No, I'm lying. Okay, it is the first VIB sale that I've shopped in Hawaii. Normally I do most of my shopping online, but I actually went into the Sephora store, which I had so much fun this year shopping the VIB sale. I spent a lot of money and I'm super excited about everything that I got. So let's just get into it. Okay, so one thing I want to show you right off the bat. Okay, if you spend $100 in Sephora, which I spent well over $100 twice, you get this bag, and it says Sephora Hawaii with the lips. Isn't that cute? And it's just this black bag. And so I have another one that I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with yet. See? So I don't know, that may go into a giveaway. Not sure. But anyways, you guys stay posted because my birthday is coming in June, and I was actually on YouTube for 2 years in March, which I didn't do a giveaway. I was kind of in the slums, and but I love doing giveaways. So I'm gonna do a giveaway for my birthday, and yes, I'm giving back to you, to my viewers, and it's going to be early June, and it's gonna be different. So stay tuned for that, but let's see what I got. So the first thing I got was Sex on the Peach. I really love Too Faced products, and this was really cool because it was $45, and of course you guys know the Sephora VIB, you get 20% off. So it comes with a full size powder, and I haven't tried any of this yet because I tried to wait so you guys could be the first to see, but I used some stuff. But yeah, so this is a full-size powder. I've heard a lot of people, smells so good. A lot of people talk about how good this powder is, and so we're gonna give this a whirl. I'm super excited. I love Too Faced. I love that they their products kind of smell like yum. You know what I mean? Okay, so they also comes with, of course, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I've re-fallen in love with, and this Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, which I've been wanting to try as well because I've heard a lot of good things about that. And then a mattifying setting spray. So I like the mattifying specifically for this area. I have been using a lot of hydrating sprays lately, but before I put on my makeup and kind of during, I don't know, it's weird, but I've been loving them, and I'll tell you about that later. So this, I love this. I thought this was a great deal at 45 bucks before my discount. So the next thing is I repurchased the Urban Decay All Nighter. Actually, it's not a repurchase. I had a sample that I got like either in a box or a bag. I used it all up. It was like a really small one. But I really, really like this All Nighter. I didn't think that I would, but I like it. I didn't get the Big Daddy just because I like to try different things. So I got the All Nighter, and this size is only $15. So I thought that was a steal. And if you're looking for something to keep your makeup on all day and have it look good, then that is your spray. All right, the next thing is I was looking for a blush, and I was looking for a blush that was similar to the one that I've been using in my Wander Beauty palette. So I was asking the girl at Sephora, so we went around and swatched a bunch of blushes, and this one smells like, it smells like the peach powder. This is what it looks like, and this is going to be my summer blush. So this is the color peach. I'm not sure what color it is, but I'm gonna swatch it for you. So it's peachy, and it has a little bit of sheen on it, which was exactly what I wanted. I wanted that for the summer. So it's like a light wash of color and something that looked like it had a little bit of highlight in it. So in case that's all I wanted to wear. So this is gonna be my go-to blush for summertime. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. And then, all right, this has been widely talked about, and this is the Milk Makeup, is it the Hydro Primer? Yeah, the Hydro Primer. And I bought the small one because I just didn't want to spend the money on the big one. I wasn't sure it was going to work. I don't want to keep going back and forth to Sephora. I don't want to return, exchange, blah, blah, blah. So if I wasn't sure about something, or if I knew I wasn't going to use it up, I tried to buy a small one if I could. This was also $15, and I did use it one time. So it's really not enough to let you know like what I really think about it. I think really it may hold your makeup in place, I think, but really what I wanted was I wanted something that would just mattify like this area here. So I think I'm barking up the wrong tree. So if you guys know of a primer that does a good job of like mattifying, pore filling, without like making your skin feel really tight, let me know in the comment section what you recommend. All right, so this also has been widely talked about, and that is the Born This Way concealer. This is like my third Too Faced item. So this I've used a couple times, and it's quite large. They have these in the smaller ones by the cash wrap. The only thing, I tried to find my shade. The only thing is they only have like 3 or 4 shades, and they did not have my shade, which I was really sad because honestly, I did not want this big thing. I have used it a few times, and I'm not going to tell you what I mean, it's fine. I think I'm going to use it some more before I tell you what my final thoughts are. But I mean, it does, like, as far as I was using it on some spots that I had and some redness, definitely does cover that up. So you could use it in that way. You could also use it like if you were in need of foundation, you didn't have your foundation, you could also use this as foundation. As far as, I'll have to use it a couple more times underneath the eyes to let you know like what my real thoughts are. But I have a feeling I have other stuff in my collection that will do the same thing as that. But I do love Too Faced products, so that's the reason why I bought that. But I really wanted the smaller one. Next, okay, I bought 2 eyeshadow palettes, but I'm gonna save them for last. Okay, so I repurchased this. This is the Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pilling or Daily Pill. And I've used this before. Now this is the one that they sell on the cash wrap. I think it's like $14. If you buy like the regular size one, I forget how, it comes with a ton of pads, but it's like $80. And this is just fine for me. So this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and that will last me a long time because I don't do it like every day or even every week, but I can, which I'll be happy to do. These work super awesome after you use. So really what you do is, so there's 2 pads. There's 1, 2, directions are on the back. So you're gonna exfoliate with 1 pad, and then you'll do it for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then you get the other pad, which is the neutralizer. So, and then you rub that on your face. and you're good to go. And in the morning you look amazing. So yeah, if you guys are looking for something to exfoliate your skin in 2 minutes and uncover that radiance, I would highly suggest these pads. They're really super good. All right, so this is, so I took everything out of it. So you can see I love this bag. I took it with me when we went on our little vacay. I did not purchase this in the sale, but I purchased it right before because I really wanted this Super Goop sunscreen. And I wanted to, I love dry shampoos. And so this came with 1, 2, 3 dry shampoos, some whey oil, this Brazilian thing, which honestly, I know everybody goes crazy over it, but it's not my favorite. I don't like the undertone of musk, and that's what it has. I don't like it. This VIB Disco Balm. It is so bomb. I have not used, it comes with this little Milk Makeup highlighter. I have not used the highlighter yet because I have so many, but it also comes with this Stila. It is a glitter and glow. I did use this one time. It's really super sheer. Well, actually that doesn't look sheer right there. Really pretty, so that would be great for going out. I have used the IGK, the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, which I really was excited because I love IGK, but I'm not a fan of this. I was super sad because this is, I was like, this, I was most excited about this. I like this one. This is the Bumble and Bumble. It is the dry shampoo with French pink clay. I like this. I really like it. The Amika Undone volume, I like that one as well. But yeah, so I think that IGK is the only one that I'm not super excited about. And this, the sunscreen is so nice. It's almost like a primer. And I got the sunscreen to layer, well, I'll layer that like within my makeup, and it layers really nice. If they have these in stores, you cannot buy this online because they won't ship it because of the sprays. It's $35 and you get this, which is so super handy. But I recommend this. So yeah, so I put in an online order and yesterday, and so I don't have that stuff here. I still have 2 more makeup palettes that I'm going to show you, but I'm going to tell you about the stuff that I ordered online, and then I'm going to put pictures here. So let me get to my orders here. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist. So I'll put a picture right here. This has been widely talked about. I do like hydrating, refreshing sprays. Like I like to use them on no makeup days, or even underneath my makeup before my moisturizer, with my moisturizer. It just feels really good, and as you get older you just need to hydrate your face. So I did purchase that, and then I wanted to try a new highlighter, and I tried the Fenty by Rihanna, and it is the Diamond Bomb All Over highlighter. I am super excited about that. I know it has kind of a lot of fallout, but I just thought it'd be really fun to play with that highlighter and to see what the possibilities are with that highlighter. So I did order that. Super excited about getting that. I also ordered my Shiseido cloths because I'm completely out of them, and I've been using some drugstore ones, and they leave like little pieces of the cloth behind, and sometimes it gets in my eye, and I just don't like that. So, okay, I also ordered this Sephora Collection Tough as Nails Deluxe Manicure Kit. So I'll put a picture right here. And I really need to update. I have a manicure kit because I always do my toes, but I really needed some new stuff. I need to update it. Like my stuff was getting old and not used. So I thought this looked like a really good kit, and it was only $20 before the discount. Another thing that I ordered from Drunk Elephant, which is the makeup melting butter cleanser. So I'm super excited about that. I have been, I'll show you what I've been using right now. But yeah, so those are the things that I'm going to be getting in my last order. But let me show you, these are 2 makeup palettes that I have been wanting to try for quite some time. Well, one has, and then one is just like a must-have. So the first one is by Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Berries and Cream palette, and this has had its mixed reviews. Whoops. But I just thought that I wanted to try it for myself, because sometimes you just really need to do that. Look at how beautiful those colors are. So I just thought that those were a great mix of colors, and I really would like to try her formula, because I wanted her first palette, which was the Latte palette. But man, these berry colors, look, so pretty. So I'm excited to play with that. But let me show you what I have been wearing. OMG, you guys. Okay, so it is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. They look dreamy. This is the Natasha Denona VIB palette. Yes, girl, yes, I did. That's why I got 2 bags. And so it's hard case. It's unlike any of her other palettes. And she's made it different where in the back, I don't know if you can see, there's like these perforated holes. I don't know if the eyeshadow is breathing, but OMG, I have been wearing this palette. Yes, look at those colors. I love it because not only does she have like the warm, neutral everyday colors, but you can also go dark, and you can do like a gray smoky eye or the gray blues. She's got a couple shimmers, but mostly mattes, which is absolutely perfect. So let me show you. I have Rustic on my lid. I'm going to swatch the colors that I have on. I have Prairie, which is like a mustardy yellow. So these colors are so pretty. And then I have Tone. Is it Tone? Oh, on the bottom underneath. And then I have Paha in the inner corner. So these are the shades. Wow, I did a terrible job swatching those for you. But those are the shades right there. And wow, Jennifer, could you have done a more terrible job? Yeah, but super pigmented. So easy to work with, so easy to blend out. I love the Natasha Denona palette. And if you watched my Allure haul, they included for the Allure of May, they included this shadow right here. And I had been wearing this one as well as a lid shade. I love this color. I wish, yeah. And so this is from the Sunset palette. All right, you guys, that is the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And that's all I have to say, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.